Hi guys. I'm gonna attempt to vlog again today because again I have not picked up my camera in over a week. I feel like my life is just like super boring. I feel like even like the things that are exciting to me will not be exciting to anyone else, but we're gonna give it a shot. We are in the middle of an ice storm right now. So all that's all ice. All ice, not snow. There's like snow over there in the corner. It's all on top of the fences. Ah! And unfortunately, we do have to leave the house today. So we finally made it out of the house. It is nasty outside. Look at the roads. Look at how nasty that is. Ew. It is disgusting outside. But we're gonna go Nike store, Walmart, then Lowe's. We were supposed to go, because Ethan lost his glasses this week. He happened to lose them on a field trip, and I called where they went, and they do have his glasses. We're gonna go pick them up.
You want me to drive?
No, it's okay. But they are closing early today. So they're supposed to be open until 4. It is 2:30. We were just about to head out to go there, and they're closed. Or they're closing. So I guess we'll try again tomorrow, but off to Nike. The outlet mall was disgusting. We got a couple things, but couldn't find any Nike pants for Ethan. So I got track pants from Carter's. Now we're at Walmart. Now we're gonna find a shower curtain.
Stall.
Which one do we want?
This is for stall.
Probably a stall would be the best.
Right? Because
Yes.
we have a stall.
We do.
Stall.
And we made it home. It is disgusting outside. Absolutely disgusting. All the ice and snow crap is like hardening onto the roads and making it really bumpy. And like my car was making so many creaking sounds the whole time. It was horrible. But now we're gonna put away some groceries, and are we gonna try and plumb right now? Oh, that's peeing. Can you hear that? Mm-hmm. Yep, that's what that is. That's pee.
Every time you turn the camera on.
Every single time.
I thought it was gonna be okay, but then like you asked me a question.
So yeah, I don't know what's going on. Okay, it's been a couple hours. I had a nap, and Hada did some of the electrical stuff for the dishwasher.
Everything we bought at Lowe's was wrong.
Everything we bought at Lowe's is wrong. We found an extra fitting under the sink that is actually what we needed, what all the extra pieces that we bought at Lowe's. So all that has to go back. So we're gonna...
But still no electrical socket.
We scratched it, and we're just gonna go back and get the proper thing that we need tomorrow. And right now, we are about to go scrape off the car for the 18th time today. And we're gonna go to the movies. Cause tomorrow's his birthday. It's his birthday tomorrow.
I'm too old.
Oh no. Good morning, guys. We went and saw Black Panther last night. It's a pretty good movie. Got home at like 12:30. It's pretty late. I was just calling the conservation area where Ethan forgot his glasses. I'm just hoping that they're open. I was calling to see if they were open because it is still snowing like crazy. We are under a freezing rain advisory. We have to go drive an hour to pick up Ethan today. And yeah, should be fun. The weather is disgusting. There's snow everywhere. And it's Hotta's birthday. And my grandpa's birthday. It's the first birthday without my grandpa. That sucks to think about. Okay, we just finished at Lowe's. 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 We returned everything that we didn't need. And we got the stuff that we did need. And now we're gonna go home and install a dishwasher.
I'll probably give it its first run just because.
But first, Tim Hortons.
Absolutely. Nothing without Tim Hortons.
No, nothing. Do you hear the sound of this? Whatever it is, ice pellets that are falling. Okay, Hotta, how well did you do?
Wow, it's got it all connected. I had to plug it in still. But I'm gonna turn the water on and see if it leaks.
Okay.
It's got a
High five, you're a plumber.
Connection. Well, I heard it was leaking in there, I don't know. It's not leaking in there yet.
Yay!
I have plumbed. I plumed.
This has got to be a joke. It's got to be a joke.
Why is it a joke?
Because this dishwasher is 10 years old.
I never unwrapped it.
That's ridiculous.
It looks so fresh and so clean.
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to slowly tidy up some things. I just got all of the floors vacuumed and I dusted Ethan's room and the living room. And I put Ethan's 6 in his bedroom. Also got him a new water cup for his bathroom. Yay, water cup. And I think I'm gonna put his 6 right there. Just like so. I still love his bedroom. I love it so much. I think it looks so good. Yep, it's good. Okay, so what time is it? It is 1:22. We're gonna have to leave here at like 4-ish to go pick Ethan up. Because it does not look like the weather is letting up at all. Actually, it just looks like it's getting worse because it's getting windier. But like, everything is covered in snow. Yeah, we're gonna have to leave her a little bit early. At least I can put these in Ethan's bedroom too. These are the new pants that we bought Ethan yesterday. It's pretty difficult to get pants right now because everybody is sold out of their pants and only selling shorts now because it's supposed to be spring. So I did find him a couple pairs. I got him these ones from Walmart, which are actually pretty sick track pants, but I got him those ones. Those were like, I think these were, how much were these? These ones were 14. And then I got everything in gray. I got just these pants, but they're comfortable with an elastic waist. They're not like restricting. And these were on sale for $9.99. And then I got him these track pants, which I don't think will fit him because they're size 7, but literally I had nothing to choose from. And they're just these, so whatever. They're just meant to be comfortable and something that he'll put on his body until we can start wearing shorts, because he's got a whole drawer full of brand new shorts that he can't wear yet. Well, this has been a fun journey. We picked up Munchkin Man. Ethan,
Yay!
say hi. He's grumpy.
I'm done.
You're done? What? Done what?
Bye, candy.
Oh, I don't know. Oh, there's one left. One left. There you go. Orange.
You know what my color
What's your favorite color? Orange? Oh, it must be a new favorite color because I thought it was green. We're on our way home now. We saw like 10 accidents on the way here. And people just like, even single car ones where like they just spin off and hit the center median. Crazy. It's not a nice day. It's changing from rain to freezing rain, and it's way worse my direction than Ethan's dad's direction, but we're gonna make one more stop and then we're gonna go home. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hada. Happy birthday to you.
A lot of count. You gonna count?
No.
No? How about you start at 37 and
No.
see what happens? No? Okay. You ready? Want help? You get that one.
How I get this one? You get
Careful.
Okay, you ready? Go. You were supposed to go. I said go.
But you can
High five.
do this. And then I go.
Happy birthday, Hada.
Thanks for singing me my birthday song. Careful your fingers, you might burn.